welcome back to my YouTube channel, Apple Aid, iOS and Mac. So today I'm going to show you how to fix issues of your MacBook not connecting to Wi-Fi. So I have two ways to access your Wi-Fi space. First, you click on the Apple icon at the top left and then you select System Preferences and then you choose Network. It will take you to the Wi-Fi. Make sure you select Wi-Fi here. And then the second option is for you to click on the Wi-Fi icon at the top right side, select Network Preferences. There you go, it takes you to the Wi-Fi space. And if your Wi-Fi's network page is locked, make sure you unlock it. Enter your password. Okay, so we are here to fix the issue of the Wi-Fi not working. You click on Advanced, and then we have various networks that have been previously connected here. So let's say here we have Space M, and that's what's giving us problem. That's the network I trying to connect to. So you click here, the minus sign here, which shows remove Wi-Fi network. You click on it, there you go, and it's gone. And if there is another 1, 2 that is giving you problem, you just select it and then click on the minus sign and you press OK. And also you could click on Advanced too and select Hardware. Make sure the configuration here, you make sure it's on automatically, and that's it. You apply it and lock it. Okay, so if you try this and it didn't work, you click on Option key and then you select Network here, Wi-Fi, and you click on Open Wireless Diagnostics. So here you click here, it shows the page Wireless Diagnostics. You click on Continue and then you follow the next steps that proceeds. So after that, it will show you what's really wrong with your network, your Wi-Fi connection, and then you go ahead and fix it. So thank you very much for joining me. I'll be bringing you more interesting ways to solve your MacBook issues. And then yeah, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. See you guys another time. Bye.